This is a quick revision of the professional portfolio that we created in your PebblePad introduction. We're going to create 3 webfolios and nest the first 2 within the last one. So the first webfolio we need to call your name and create a page within that called personal details with the title of your name. And then we need to create another page called About Me. On the personal details page we need to create a text box that says my email address and my personal tutor. If you get this auto formatting come up, just highlight and remove all formatting. And then we need to highlight the titles, make those subheadings, highlight just the email address, and make that an email link. And then on the About Me page, you need to create a text box and start it off, and you'll need to fill this in before the end of the year. And we just save and close that webfolio. And we design a new webfolio and call this one Year 1 Portfolio. And we're going to create a new page called Certificates. And a new page called Practice Reflections. And the last page we're going to call PDPs and professional development plans. And we're just going to save and close that webfolio, and we're going to design the last one now, which we will call Professional Portfolio. And we're going to select existing page or asset page, select the one that's your name, and then we're going to select existing asset over here and select the Year 1 portfolio, and we're going to click Save. And then we're going to go up here to the drop down and go to Submit. And you should find in here that you have access to a workspace that says Nursing Professional Portfolio set 0913, and inside here it will tell you whether or not you can submit, the number of submissions you're allowed to make, and the number you have already made. It will also tell you when you can submit up until, but as this is a live link, it's best to submit now and you can forget about it between now and June. So click Submit and I agree, and it will tell you that you'll receive an email for submitting this. And you'll also be able to check that this is submitted using the message center in the bottom right hand corner, and it should tell you here that your professional portfolio was submitted successfully to the Nursing Professional Portfolio set 0913. If you wish to start adding your certificates and assets, the simplest way to do that is from your Assets Store, open up your Year 1 portfolio. In your certificates, go into the Edit mode, select a text area, enter the title for your certificate, and then highlight the text and click the asset link. If you've already uploaded your certificate, such as an image or a PDF, you can just select it from here. If you haven't, you can select upload first, give it a title and a description, choose the file from your computer, select that you're entitled to upload this because you own the copyright on it, and save and upload. Your file is being processed, but you can actually close this pane already. And back in your assets store, when it is uploaded, you'll find it in here. Now you may need to click the refresh button at the top. There we go, IGT cert, and I can now select that and click confirm. We now find that this is a hyperlink, and if we go back into the preview mode, you'll see that you can select it and it will open up the option for downloading this file. There is no need to resubmit this asset. It has already been submitted. You can check that by going into the assets store. It will tell you that this asset has been submitted here, but it won't tell you where, so you need to click the blue dot with the eye symbol, and this will tell you here where it was submitted to. Again, you need to note that if you are requested to resubmit your portfolio because it is not correct when it is marked the first time, you will need to submit it to a second workspace. In effect, you would have submitted to Nursing Professional Portfolio set 0913, assignment number 1, and you'd have assignment resubmission area given down below, but more details will be provided on this later on.